Hi, these are WWE Superstar spoilers for the 8th of July 2010. Mark Henry beat NXT rookie Husky Harris with the World's Strongest Slam. Yoshitatsu and Gail Kim beat Primo and Jillian. Kale won with the Schoolboy pin. Zack Ryder beat Goldust with the Rough Rider. Goldust had a strong reaction from the crowd with a lot of chants. Chris Masters does the Master Locks challenge on Kaylen Croft, who goes to sleep. Masters puts it in Trent Barrett. Croft breaks it up as they laid out Masters. That was it for Superstars. Doesn't sound like a very good show, but worth checking out, and subscribe to the channel. Cheers.